Now see question number 6 and question number 7. So I will take these two questions together because questions are same but questions are asked in different ways. So first we see question number 6 here. Draw a circle with a center P and a radius 3.4 centimeter. Take point Q at a distance of 5.5 centimeter from the center. Construct tangents to the circle from Q. So in this first question, that is in question number 6, we have to draw a circle with a center P and a radius 3.4 centimeter, and we have to take point Q at a distance 5.5 centimeter from the center, and we have to draw tangents to the circle from point Q, that means tangents from a point outside the circle. Now we first discuss question number 7, which is also similar to question number 6. Now see question number 7. Draw a circle with a radius 4.1 centimeter. That means in question number 6 we have to draw a circle having radius 3.4 centimeter, and in this question 7 we have to draw a circle of a radius 4.1 centimeter. Then here word is take a point Q at a distance of 5.5 centimeter from the center. So instead of this statement, here statement is construct tangents to the circle from a point at a distance 7.3 centimeter. That means here we have to take any point which is at a distance 7.3 centimeter from the center. That means in first question center name is provided, the point outside the circle, point Q is given. So here we have to take center, then we have to take point, any point which is at distance 7.3 centimeter, and from that point we have to draw tangents to the circle. So we first discuss question number 6 here. So we write in construction, first step, so from given part, draw a circle with center P and radius 3.4 centimeter. That means in first step we have to write here, draw a circle with center P of radius 3.4 centimeter. So we have to draw a circle with the help of compass and ruler. So with the help of this ruler and compass, we take distance 3.4 centimeter with the help of this ruler. In compass we take distance 3.4 centimeter. So we have to draw here circle so we draw here circle Now second step is we have to take a point Q at a distance of 5.5 centimeter. So we write here second step as take a point Q outside the circle such that PQ equals to 5.5 centimeter. So we put here scale. So we measure here distance 5.5 centimeter. So here is 5.5 centimeter. So we join this with point P. So this point we call point Q. That means first we draw here a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. Then we take point Q, which is at a distance of 5.5 centimeter from the center. Now third step, we draw a perpendicular bisector of this seg PQ. So we write in third step, draw a perpendicular bisector of PQ which bisect PQ at O. So first we draw a circle, then we take point Q which is at distance 5.5 centimeter. Then in third step we draw a perpendicular bisector of this sec PQ. So for that we have to take more than half a distance in compass and we draw perpendicular bisector of this PQ. So first we put the point of compass at Q, then we keeping same distance we mark keeping point at P on the previous arc. So where that two arc intersect we join, and that is perpendicular bisector, and this perpendicular bisector bisect PQ at O. Now in third step we consider this O as center and OP and OQ as a radius, and we draw a new circle of radius OP and OQ. Now see here, so we consider here O as center and measure the distance OP. So OP and OQ are the radius, so we mark here, and with the help of this radius we draw a new circle, and this new circle intersect the circle having radius 3 point at point. So these are the 2 points where this circle of radius OP equals to A intersect. So we write in step 4, take O as center and OP equals to OQ as a radius. Draw another circle with which intersect previous circle at A and B. So these are the points A and point B. So we have to join this AQ and BQ, which is a required tangents. So we write here in last step, join AQ and BQ which are required tangents. So we join these two. So this is first tangent, and then we joined this BQ which is second tangent. That means from a point Q we draw two tangents to the circle having radius 3.4 centimeter at point A and B. So in this way you have to solve question number 6. Same way we solve question number 7. Now see question number 7. So like previous question, so we write here all steps. If you understand the question number 6, you can write all these steps first, then draw the circle and construct all the steps. So question is, draw a circle with a radius 4.1 centimeter. Construct tangents to the circle from a point at a distance 7.3 centimeter from the center. That means question is same but words are changed. So we write in answer step of constructions as, first step, draw a circle with a center P of a radius 4.1 centimeter. Then take a point Q outside the circle such that PQ equals to 7.3 centimeter. Then draw a perpendicular bisector of PQ which bisect PQ at O. And fourth step is, taking O as center and OP equals to OQ as a radius, draw another circle which intersect previous circle at A and B. Then we join AQ and BQ, which are required tangents. So following these steps, we do the constructions. So first we take with the help of scale here a radius as 4.1. So here in compass we take distance 4.1. So following this first step, so we draw here a circle. So we draw here a circle having radius 4.1 and center is P. Then we have to take point Q outside this circle, which is at a distance 7.3. So we take here distance 7.3 with the help of this ruler. So we join this point Q with point P. So we joined here. So this is point Q. Now we have to draw according to this third step perpendicular bisector of this PQ. So we have to take more than half distance. So we take here more than half distance and mark, putting one point of compass at P and Q. So these two intersecting arc. Then we join this and we get a perpendicular bisector, and this perpendicular bisector bisect this sec PQ at point O. Now we have to draw a circle with the help of radius OP equals to OQ. That means here OP is a diameter, PQ is diameter. So we draw here new circle of radius OP is equals to OQ, that we write in step 4. Now these intersection points of new and previous circle are considered as A and B. So we write here in third step, take O as center and OP equals to OQ as a radius, draw another circle which intersect previous circle at A and B. So we consider here their intersection as A and B. In last step, joined AQ and BQ, which are a required tangent. So for required tangent, we joined this AQ and this BQ. So in this way you solve question number 6 and 7, which are very easy questions. For question number 7, take screenshot of this